Good times. So hello, everyone. It is I, Edible Globe 16, the YouTuber that I'm the one that people eat me because I'm a globe. And that also means I eat globes. So today, I'm gonna make my 18th unboxing video of this. New for 2024. A 2022 Infiniti QX80. Number 33 out of 100. And it's sponsored by Matchbox. Well, not sponsored by, it's just made by Matchbox. Matchbox and Hot Wheels are related.
Matchbox and Hot Wheels are related.
So this is cool. Like, just look at it. This, two things. This, we got it today at Walmart. My mom bought it. The reason why she bought it is because the rest of the die casts are like $4 or $5 or $6, $7, $8. I just thought of this. So recently, a lot of students, especially my friend Philip, I've been hearing a lot of students of this new brain rot called 6-7. Like, 6-7? Yeah, I don't know what 6-7 is. But whatever it is, it sounds kind of funny. And when my friend Philip says it, I actually pretend to hate it, but it's actually kind of funny. Yeah, I'm something strange. Like last year, wait, or was it 8th grade or something? I heard a lot of students say Skibby or Sigma or Riz or Gia or something. And it looked, and probably because a lot of these teenagers have phones and they like to, you know, look up, and then they found brain rot and started to joke about it. Like, how did everyone in my school know about brain rot? Like, how? But me, I'm not like the guy who just likes to look up every you know, new video and wondering when it is. I just like to watch the same video a lot. Although I can watch new YouTube video. I can watch YouTube videos I've never watched before that are like 2, 3, 4, or even recently years old. Sorry, I still got a bunch of phlegm down here. Yeah, a couple weeks ago I got sick, and due to my phlegminess, my voice can change like this or something. All you have to do is clear your throat. How does it work though? And also, can anyone tell me why Ohio is part of brain rot? Like this. O for Ohio. Yeah, this is a rock from Ohio, the state. When me and the family went to Cleveland, it was great. But I'm not gonna mention it. I'm not gonna mention the fun stuff. I'm just gonna get to unboxing this. This is the point of the video. And wait, the second thing. The second thing that I forgot to say, I mean, then I have a chance to say it, is Uh, this is going in my old timers collection. Despite this being a 2022 kind, this is a three. This would make it a 3-year-old car. Hold up. Something I noticed in cars. Well, I actually noticed for a long. Cars that are like in the Cars movies, even though they're like 5 years old. Like, for example, in Cars 2, the one that there was a Mercedes-Benz van and a BMW SUV or hatchback. They're like 5 or 4 or like 1 or 0, and they sound like adults. How? Even for Doc Hudson in 1951 in a flashback in Cars 2, I mean 3, was racing, and that means he was a baby. Is it cool, guys? Look, it's Infiniti. Yeah, this is Infiniti. Also, why do I keep looking at this part of the screen? Even though the camera's right here. That is a reasonable question. How many of you got that? How many of you feel that way too? Yeah, this is an expensive car in reality. We don't have a luxury vehicle. We do have an SUV. I don't think I'm supposed to tell you which type of car it is, because you probably might know where I live. I'll have to ask my parents that. So yeah, this is my 18th video and my 250th overall video, including some private videos. Yeah, I do have private videos. In case many of you might be like, where has that video been? You know, like you're not finding it. But what if it's, imagine if any of you like re-upload it, if you are like a Edible Globe 16 fan. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking of being the star of the Late Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon. Edible Globe 16 and Jimmy Fallon. And I'm also 16, and my number of my YouTube channel name is Edible Globe 16. So yeah, Edible Globe 16, and I am 16 years old. Yeah, some students think I look like 12 or 13 or 14 due to my baby face. Do I have a baby face? And my small height. Like, here's my height. Here's what many students are like. My friend Zach, he's like this tall, surprisingly. And there are a few students shorter than me. On the bottom it says 2022 Infiniti QX80. The year on this is 2023. Blurry again. Made in Thailand, and I don't know what this is. Right here, there's an under cars. There's usually an elephant. Yeah. All right, this is getting too long, so we all hope that you have a great day. I finally posted a YouTube short today. It's called Warm Sunlight Kitties. It's about Valor and Angelo at the sunlight. Someday I'm gonna get my chance to make a video called Meet the Pets and show you all my pets. And I'm gonna tell you which pets I want in the future. So have a great day, guys. Like and subscribe and comment down below which series I should do next. Yeah, I don't know why I haven't got that. I don't know why I got that comment at all. None of you gave me ideas, surprisingly. So, Thank you everyone for watching. See you.